Hey YouTube, so we're gonna show you guys how to fix the battery fuse on a 1999 Nissan Frontier. What happened was the previous owner plugged in the battery backwards, so it burned some of the fuses. But it's the battery fuse. We're already diagnostic. We'll show you guys where it is and how to replace it. So stay tuned. Okay guys, so this is our engine here, and the fuses are right here on the side by the battery. We removed the battery just so you can have more space. If you're doing it with the battery on, just make sure you unplug it, just the positive, take it off. You're gonna take off this cover. It's one clip here. I already have it unclipped. Just unclip this, unclip it here on this side. That will come out, and then this is the fuse that we're going to replace. Somebody already tampered with it, but the way to remove that fuse, you have to actually take this off and unscrew it, because it has two screws coming in from the side, two bolts. So it's kind of easy. You just have to work with a flathead a little bit, and let me show you exactly what are you going to unclip. So you're gonna see like this clip right here. It's one, there's another one here, 2 and 3 and 4 clips on that side. Here on the side it has a clip as well. You can just put it to the side, and then one on this side as well. The hard ones are this ones. It has 4 clips here. The 2 in the middle, they go towards the inside of the Let me see if I can get one and show you guys. So if you can see that line right there, you're just gonna push it, that little plastic, like that. So that already unclipped that. Same on this one. You're gonna push this way. So you're gonna do it this way, like this, and push, like this, and push. And then you're gonna do this too, which they go forward, just like this. Yeah. So I'm gonna use both of my hands for that. And as soon as you unclip those, this whole piece will come up, and then we can unscrew the bolts. Let me just do that. If I find anything else, I'll let you know. But just play with it for a little while and just use a flathead. The thinner the better. Okay guys, it was a pain. It was a pain to do it. I ended up using having help with a friend. I also used this, just anything that's thin and pointy, maybe pocket knives. And I was doing 2 clips at a time. I did one side. The hard ones are the back ones, so you can do all the top ones easily. Then when you do the back ones, just do 2 and have somebody lift this part up. Then do the other 2 and then have somebody lift it up. Just like I mentioned before, this one right here, push it forward like that. And then this one, you're gonna push it to the side, just like this. And this one forward. And then this one, you're gonna push it this way. And then this one, push it to the front again towards it. And then those 2 unclip. Once you get those 2, you're gonna have a little bit of space. If you see that bolt right there, that screw, that's a size 10. On this side, we have a size 8. You remove those 2, and then this fuse will come out. The fuse was $4. Let me show you guys the new fuse. So just remove that, size 10, size 8. You notice that you can't really take it out because of the cables. So you just have that space to work with, which is more than enough. I mean, you don't need anything else. This is the new one. We bought a universal one. You see how it comes in. It was $4 at AutoZone. You can buy it, I guess, wherever you shop for auto parts. Remove those 2 bolts, take it out, put this one, then reinstall everything. I'm gonna let you guys if I find any other issues, but that's about it. Okay guys, we put everything back together. The screws on the side, a little bit hard because there's not a lot of space. You can take this off if you want some more space, but I did it without that. Put my battery back on, cover. Let me just crank it up. Show you guys. There you go. Wasn't doing that before. This is the problem. I hope you like it. I hope you like this video. Please just drop a like, share this video, thumbs up, subscribe. It helps a lot. It helps us encourage us to make more videos. Thank you very much for watching. Great day.